Sometimes, the biggest blessing in life comes from our parents' words. Nigeria superstar Davido recently touched hearts online after sharing a rare throwback photo of his late mother. But what caught everyone's attention wasn't just the picture. It was the powerful advice she gave him when he was just 10 years old. She told him, "Stay close to Igbo people. They will teach you how to build your own wealth, not just depend on your fathers." Why did she say that? Could that be the reason Davido married Chioma, wear Igbo attire proudly, attends Igbo events, and even recently celebrated Bright Chimezie? Let's break it all down. Davido's late mother, Veronica Adeleke, was not just a professor and a music lover. She was a woman full of wisdom. Her advice wasn't just about friendship, it was about building value, networking with culture, and learning from a group known for their resilience and business success. Igbos in Nigeria are widely respected for their entrepreneurial spirit. They believe in hard work, self-reliance, and community support. For a young boy like Davido, whose father was already wealthy, his mother likely wanted him to go beyond the silver spoon, to learn how to hustle, survive, and grow with people who lies by lifting others. Fast forward to today, Davido's life shows deep Igbo influence. He married Chioma Roland, a beautiful Igbo woman who has stood by him through ups and downs. Their love story isn't just romantic, it is also symbolic. Davido has openly embraced Igbo culture. He wears Igbo traditional attire during events, dances to highlife music, and attends Igbo festivals. He is close friends with Cubana Chief Priest, an influential Igbo businessman known for his success and flamboyancy. Recently, Davido even invited veteran highlife legend Bright Chimezie to his home, honored him and gave him money, an Igbo cultural gesture of respect and generosity. When you look at all this, it is no surprise fans are now asking, could his mother's advice be the invisible hand shaping Davido's choices? In a world full of noise, sometimes it is these quiet, personal truths that stand out. Davido isn't just a musician. He is a young man navigating fame, family, culture, and legacy. And in many ways, he is honoring his mother's memory by living that advice every day. This also teaches lesson to many youths. Listen to the wisdom of your parents, especially when it comes from a place of love and long-term vision. Davido's life today may be louder than ever, but his roots remain grounded in that simple message his mom gave him: to connect, to learn, and to grow with those who uplift you. So, is that why Davido married Chioma? Is that why he is so close to the Igbos? We may never know for sure, but one thing is clear. His mom saw something, and her words planted a seed that is now bearing fruit. What do you think about Davido's mom's advice? Do you believe in it? Let's talk in the comments below.